Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 153. Find minimum in rotated sorted array. Suppose an array of length n sorted in ascending on order is rotated between 1 and n times. For example, the array nums equals to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 might become 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2 if it was rotated 4 times. And if it was rotated 7 times, then it will become 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice that rotating an array one time results in the array an minus 1, a0, a1, a2 till an minus 2. Given the sorted rotated array nums of unique elements, return the minimum element of this array. You must write an algorithm that runs in log n time. So let's see example 1. Here the input is 34512, output is 1, and original array was 1 2 3 4 5. It is rotated 3 times and we need to find the minimum value, which is 1. In example 2, input is 4567012, minimum value is 0, so the output is 0. And in this array the array was rotated 4 times. In example 3, the input is 11 13 15 17, output is 11, and the original array was 11 13 15 17, and it was rotated 4 times. So I hope you understand the problem. Basically we need to find the minimum element in log n time, right? So what I'm thinking is, let's store the minimum element in the result, and let's initialize it with the first element. Let us have left and right variable which are 0 and length of nums. Now while L is less than equals to R, we will see. So the idea is basically using binary search, right? We will see, we will apply binary search in the array, and it could be possible that either left part is sorted or right part of the array is sorted. So if the left part of the array is sorted, we will look into the right part and apply the binary search there. And if the right part is sorted, we will look into the left part and apply the binary search there. Because we will find the minimum value in the unsorted array, not in the sorted array, right? So let's uh, code the solution. Now if nums L is less than nums R, it means that the array's whole array is sorted. We can have the result which is minimum of, and we can just return the result from here. Otherwise we can find the mid value here, L plus R divided by 2, and let's update the result here. Now if left part is sorted, then we will be looking into the right part which is unsorted. So L is equals to M plus 1. Else if right part is sorted, then we will look into the left part and we can return the result. Let's run the code.